Hey everyone, welcome back to gilgeekify. If you're tired of running into heavy paywalls when trying to use top-tier AI image models, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a completely unlimited, step-by-step method to access paid flagship models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5.0 Pro, and Ideogram 4 to 100% for free using Leonardo AI and smart temporary email setups. Let's jump right into the demonstration. First, let me show you a few sample images I've generated using this exact method. This image right here is my personal reference photo. Now, here are two example images I generated using the GPT Image 2 model. And these two example images were created with Nano Banana 2. All the images you just saw were created using this exact same reference image. All right, let's jump straight into generating unlimited images and accessing these top-tier models. To get started, all you need is a Temp mail website or its Android app. I've placed all the necessary links in the description of this video. We'll also be using the Leonardo AI platform to generate all our images. Well, one quick tip, you can open as many browser tabs as you want to run this method simultaneously. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate using two tabs, one in Google Chrome and another in Microsoft Edge. You can also run any browser in incognito or private mode to scale up your generations. Also, this entire method is fully tested and works seamlessly on the mobile app as well. So whether you're on desktop or mobile, the process is identical. Now, at this stage, simply create a new account in each browser tab. Verify each account using the confirmation code sent to your temporary email to activate them. Perfect. Both accounts are now ready to go. You can just skip these initial welcome pop-ups. Let's head over to the Image Generation tab to start creating. Let's handle these two tabs separately. On Leonardo AI, each account receives 150 free daily tokens. You could keep the account and wait for the daily reset, but that doesn't really matter for us because we'll just delete the account right after using the tokens. The 150 tokens refresh daily at a fixed rate. They don't stack up over time to give you 600 tokens in 4 days. That's not possible. Okay, now for testing and generation, I'll upload my reference image. In this section, we select our image generation model. In this tab, I want to test GPT Image 2. On Leonardo, you also get access to other top-tier models like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana 2 Lite, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5 Pro, Ideogram 4, Recraft V4, Flux models, Lucid models, and many more. In this section, set the image dimensions to small to save tokens. This allows us to generate two images, and if we like one of them, we can easily upscale it with a single click. Now, I'll type a prompt to generate based on our reference image. convert my image into a perfect statue. For variety, I'll change the style preset for the second image to Creative. While these images are generating, let's switch over to the second tab. I'll upload my reference image here as well. In this tab, I plan to generate a sample image using the Nano Banana Pro model. You can select your preferred style preset here, as it significantly impacts the final output. If you don't have a specific idea, leave it on the default dynamic option, which usually delivers great results. This time, I'll set the image dimensions to medium. While this one generates, let's head back to the first tab and check our results. Awesome! As you can see, the image generated perfectly based on the reference provided. And this second one finished too. I think this one turned out super cool. I currently have 18 tokens left, which is enough for an upscale. So I'll upscale the image I liked right here, as you can see. Let's open the Upscale tab and download the high-res image from here. Here is a side-by-side before and after comparison of the upscaled image. So, in total, using just one Temp Leonardo account, I was able to generate 2 images and upscale one of them. Alright, I no longer need this account because I want to create a fresh one for my next generations. So I'll navigate here and delete the account like this. Of course, you can keep the account to receive 150 daily tokens. It's totally up to you. And that's it. We're done with this account. To generate even more images, simply repeat the process and create another account. That's the entire workflow for gaining unlimited access to the world's leading AI image generation models right now. Here's an important pro tip. After creating multiple accounts, Leonardo might block access or throw a client-side error in your browser. If that happens, simply press F12, go to the Application tab, navigate to Storage, and click Clear Site Data. This will instantly reset your session and restore full access to Leonardo. Now, let's jump back to the second tab and see how our Nano Banana Pro image turned out. Wow, this image looks incredible! The Nano Banana Pro model is truly mind-blowing. Since I selected medium dimensions for this run, it doesn't even need upscaling. The raw quality and resolution are already top-notch. Alright, we're done with this account as well, so I'll go ahead and delete it. So, using this exact method on Leonardo AI, we managed to effortlessly generate 3 ultra-high-quality images using flagship models like GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana Pro. That wraps up today's guide. By leveraging this simple temporary email workflow, you can continuously create fresh accounts and access the absolute best paid AI image models whenever you need them. If this video saved you time or money, make sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment below letting me know which AI model is your favorite, and hit subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on future tech guides and workflow breakdowns. Thanks for watching gilgeekify, and I'll catch you in the next one.